what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
So guys, first thing first, for moisturizing my lips, I'm going to use the Biotic Biofruit Lip Balm. This is such a good lip balm. I've been using it for past 2 months now and I absolutely love it because it's taking care of my pigmentation. So I'm applying a generous layer of it on my lips. This has such a beautiful tint as well, a peachy orange tint as well. So I like it. And to prep my skin, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light variant. So I'm going to massage this all over my face. I'm going to give a cute little massage. Also, I'm going to apply it under the eyes so that my concealer sits really well. So guys, today first we are going to be doing our eyes because we are going to have a lot of fallouts. For that, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 312 Amber. Applying it all over my lids. And with the blending brush, concealer blending brush, I'm gonna blend everything. And using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, loose powder in the shade Light to set the concealer, guys, so that our eyeshadow glides beautifully. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So I'm taking this light brown shade and I'll put it in the crease. As you can see, I'm not taking all the color at once. It's always a good idea to add colors little by little because that way you can blend the shadow really well. And I'm using the windshield wiper motion and circular motion and blending it really well into the crease. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of color extra and blending it again with the same circular motion and windshield wiper motion till I'm happy with the blend. Now taking this dark brown shade from the same palette and I'll put it in the crease again, just below the crease where we put the first color actually, and blend it really well. And now I'm going to mix both the colors together. I'm going to blend both these colors together so that there is no harsh edges and it looks seamless. Take your time and blend, guys. Blending is very important. If your eyeshadows are not blended really well, then it looks awful. And I'm going to take this black eyeshadow and put this just below the crease where we have put the second color, but that's the reference point, guys. So we are going to put a gel liner to get the intense black color. So this is the reference point. We are not supposed to go beyond that. Now taking this gel liner from Nykaa, and I'm going to cover the lid because this is going to give the intense black color to the smoky eyes. So this is not supposed to go beyond that black shadow that we have put it. So now I'm going to take the black eyeshadow from the same Huda palette and I'm going to blend it really well so that there's no difference between the gel liner and the black eyeshadow and the brown shadow. So blend it well. And now the brown shadow, taking the brown shadow in a different blending brush, I'm going to blend everything together so that it looks seamless and flawless. So I'll do the other eyes and I'll be right back. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade Hot Honey. And I'm going to dab the foundation all over my skin. And guys, I'm not taking a lot of product because I don't want to cake up my skin with a lot of product. And with a blending brush, with a foundation brush, I'm going to just dab it. Just pat my skin with the brush. And I'm not rubbing it or anything. I'm just patting my skin and it just beautifully blends because it has such a beautiful, gorgeous demi matte soft matte finish, which I absolutely love. I don't want to cake up a lot of foundation, but I don't want to cake up my face using a lot of foundation because you don't need to. I'm just concentrating in the areas that I have where there are more acne scars and acne situation going on. And for concealer, I'm going to use the same concealer and I'm just going to put it in the inner corners of the eyes, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, on my chin, on my forehead, and also in the outer corner of the eyes. I'm not going to again cake up lot of concealer because that's going to crease and that will look very, very bad. And again, I'm not going to blend it throughout, guys. Just going to concentrate in that particular area so that it brightens up immediately. So that's what I'm doing here. And also here also I'm not going to be blending everywhere. I'm just going to concentrate in that particular area. And whatever is left out, I'm just going to blend it well, because this way you don't get creases much. You won't crease much. And I'm going to blend my concealer on my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, on my forehead really well. And I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm just smoking it under the lash line. And for kajal, I'm using the K Beauty kajal in the shades Raven Hue. And I'll put it in the waterline and smudge it with the brown eyeshadow that we used in a shader brush. I mean in the blending brush. And for brow, I'm using the Freedom Brow Pomade. First, I'm combing my eyebrows with a spoolie, guys, as usual. And I'm going to fill in the gaps that I have. I always don't use a lot of product in the inner portion of my eyebrows because that tends to look very, very artificial. So that's what I'm doing right here. Again, combing in to distribute the product evenly. You can see the difference for yourself. This rose looks so much groomed. And for contour, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade light to medium. And I'm going to use these two contour shades, and I'm going to contour my usual areas like my cheeks, my jawline, my nose, my forehead and all that. It makes such a difference, guys. I'm also contouring the nose because that's very, very, very important for me. And before applying mascara, I'm going to curl up my lashes. And for mascara today, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is such a beautiful mascara. I'm doing my upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. And for blush, I'm using the Flower Beauty blush in the shade Sweet Pea and putting it in the putting just above where we have put the contour, because that gives a nice lift to our face. And whatever is left out, I'm also going to be adding it in the chin and the nose as well, so that it looks natural. And for highlight, I'm using the Flower Beauty Shimmer Palette and I'm putting it in the usual areas like the highlighting points. And for lip liner, I'm using the K Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype, which is my absolute favorite, and I need to overline my lips because I barely have lips. First, I'm overlining. And for lipstick, I'm using the K Beauty Matte Drama lipsticks in the shade Thriller. So I'm going to fill in that. Since I'm not very happy with the shade, guys, because I want a nice more peach tone to it. So for that, I'm going to use this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade She's So Matte and just going to put it all over my lips again. So this gives a nice peachy kind of nude, which I wanted to go for. So this, guys, is the finished look. I absolutely love how this turned out, and this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous look that you can pair with a nude outfit or a black outfit. And I hope you all guys liked it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll hopefully catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Bye guys.